Now, of course, the Zimmerman trial has Americans looking at self-defense and stand your ground laws, which is the law in Florida that George Zimmerman used to defend himself. For that, Brittany Jones has continuing coverage tonight.
It's a law in the books that's been questioned by many during protests and marches across the state. Does the stand your ground law protect or harm?
In the state of Florida, I think we're sending a wrong message that we are not even willing to have the debate on the stand your ground law.
Representative Alan Williams is pushing to make change. He sponsored a repeal of the law this past legislative session, but despite his efforts,
neither of the bills were heard in any chamber.
The 2005 law permits anyone who feels their safety or life is in danger to use deadly force without first exercising a duty to retreat. It's a law that many thought George Zimmerman would sure to claim after he shot and killed 17-year-old Trayvon Martin in Sanford, but his lawyers won the case by self-defense alone.
We cannot allow any more Trayvon Martins to die on our streets.
Ahmad Abuznade, legal policy director for the Dream Defender, agrees. He says the state's entire self-defense law needs to be reviewed.
We feel that there is self-defense for a reason, and that we don't need to give a wider gap of allowability for people to become vigilantes and seek justice on their own.
But the bill's sponsor, Representative Dennis Baxley, says that was never the intent and maintains it was put in place to protect Floridians.
People in that situation, being attacked by somebody, have moments to decide whether they want to live or they want to be a victim.
Baxley says he's open to conversation about changes to the law, but warns
I would be very cautious about doing anything that would diminish our citizens' right to protect themselves from harm.
It's a discussion supporters of the repeal hopes will happen soon.
We need the people on the other side to understand that lives are being lost, children are being lost, and we need to do something for our communities to make them safer.
Brittany Jones, Bounce TV 27.2.